How to create a logo for e-commerce. In this video, you'll learn how to design a logo that really pops in the e-commerce world. Plus, we'll show you how to keep it looking professional and grab your customers' attention. Why is a logo important? A logo is a key element of a company's, online stores, or brand's visual identity. A well-designed logo helps build recognition, fosters trust, and distinguishes the brand from its competitors. The right choice of colors, fonts, and symbols makes your company easier to remember and associate with specific values. In this article, we'll show you how to create an effective logo step by step. Competitors analysis. Look at how your competitors' logos look within your industry. Identify what makes them effective and what elements you can use to differentiate yourself. Pay attention to colors, typography, and graphic style. Avoid copying. Your logo should be original and unique. Choose a logo style. A logo can take various forms. Logotype, the brand name in a distinctive typography, for example, Google. Graphic symbol, a symbol or icon, for example, Apple. Combination of logotype and graphic symbol, for example, Nike. Emblem, logo in the form of a crest or badge, for example, Starbucks. Monogram, initials of the company name, often used by luxury brands, for example, Louis Vuitton. Colors play a key role in building a brand's image. They have the power to evoke emotions and shape how customers perceive your business. Understanding color psychology will help you choose the shades that best reflect your brand's personality and attract the right audience. Red stands for energy, passion, and excitement. Blue symbolizes trust, professionalism, and calm. Green is associated with nature, ecology, and health. Yellow expresses optimism, warmth, and youth. Black represents luxury, elegance, and prestige. Common logo design mistakes. Too complex. Your logo should be simple and legible. Lack of uniqueness. Copying competitors will make your brand blend in. Poor legibility. Using unclear fonts or overly small elements. Excessive colors. Too many colors can make the logo hard to reproduce. Lack of a monochrome version. The logo should look good in black and white as well. In today's e-commerce business world, a strong visual identity is key to a brand's success. Logo generators are fast and effective tools that allow brands to create unique logos designed to reflect their vision and purpose. Every company can now easily create professional graphic designs that stand out in the market and attract customers. Looka.com is an advanced logo generator that uses artificial intelligence to create professional graphic designs. After entering basic information about your brand, such as industry, color preferences, and style, the tool generates a variety of logo options that can be easily customized. Logopony.com is a simple and intuitive logo generator that lets you create logos using ready-made templates and editing tools. It's a great solution for small businesses and startups looking for a quick and easy way to design a logo without any prior design experience. A good logo is not just an aesthetically pleasing design, but above all, an effective tool for building your brand's image. Remember, a logo is an investment for years to come, so it's worth taking the time to design it properly. Want to scale your e-commerce business effortlessly? Fulfillment-Polska.pl takes care of storage, packing, shipping, and returns management, so you can focus on growth. Fast and reliable order fulfillment, efficient warehouse solutions, seamless integration with marketplaces. You focus on selling, we handle the rest. For more information, visit our website.